Did you know that 75% of parents say that their most joyful moments in life come from their children? I believe I'm part of that 75. While the sleepless nights and constant chaos get the spotlight, there are moments so profound that it will make you stop and thank God for the gift of parenthood. Parenthood is often described as messy, exhausting, and full of sacrifices. But what if I told you there are hidden treasures tucked into those everyday struggles? Moments that reminds you why it's all worth it. Today, we are diving into 9 such moments that will leave you smiling and filled with gratitude for this incredible journey. It's no secret that parenthood can feel overwhelming. The laundry piles up, tantrums feel endless, and free time feels like a distant memory. And unfortunately, society tends to look at the challenges, making it easy to overlook the moments that fill our hearts with joy and gratitude. But here's the thing, it's in those quiet and unexpected times that the true beauty of being a parent shines through. So let's shift the focus and celebrate the little blessings that makes the journey worthwhile. Mama. Hearing mama or dada for the first time feels like the most beautiful melody ever composed. It is a reminder that all those sleepless nights are worth it. When your child suddenly says, "I love you" without being asked, it's like receiving a warm hug for your soul. Whether it's their first step, their first drawing, or their first goal at a soccer practice, their pride becomes your greatest joy. The wonder in their gaze as they discover something new reminds you of the magic in everyday life. Those quiet moments before they drift off to sleep, as they hold your hand or rest against your chest, are nothing short of sacred. The belly laughs that erupt from a silly face or a playful moment are contagious and unforgettable. When your little one folds their hand and say a heartfelt prayer, it's a humble reminder of their pure faith and trust in God. Seeing your child share, comfort, or help someone else reveals the goodness in their hearts, and it reassures you that you're doing something right. When they express gratitude without prompting, it's a moment that makes you realize and see that they appreciate and see all that you do. For many parents, the most heart-stopping moment is the first time your child turns to you during a tough time and say, "I need you." It's in that raw, vulnerable moment that you realize that God entrusted you with this precious life. It's humbling, awe-inspiring, and the moment that cements your gratitude for parenthood. These 9 moments may be small, but their impact is immeasurable. They remind us to pause, reflect, and thank God for the gift of parenthood. It is not a perfect journey, but it is filled with blessings that makes it all worthwhile. Now it's your turn. Share a moment of gratitude from your parenting journey in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to check my motherhood playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Mama, a kiss. Yeah.